You'd be amazed how often we're asked how to do something as simple as changing the clock in a brand new Subaru. Well, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial just to show you how to do it. There's going to be 4 main buttons that are going to be relevant to this. The first one is going to be this info button right here. That's going to give you the ability to control that nice little screen up there. The second ones are going to be these 3 eyesight switches. All 3 of these buttons will pull towards you and will function as a down arrow, an up arrow, and an enter key respectively. Next, you're going to want to come into the settings menu, go to vehicle, and make sure that clock adjustment says it's on manual. Next, you're going to want to use that info button we talked about to navigate to this screen here. And then you just want to press and hold it to open up the menu. Next, you're going to use the eyesight switches to select time and date. Then once again, select time and date, and then use the up and down arrow to navigate through and change the time to whatever you need. It's as easy as that. You now know how to change the time in your brand new Subaru.